U-T40EA is a 4 tons car lift with electric lock release and electromagnetic lowering valve. The lift standard equipped with an aluminum motor to ensure a durable product life. Symmetric arms can be extended or folded so that all arms are the same length. If the most vehicles that you are lifting are light trucks, vans or other longer types of vehicles, then asymmetric arms are available for your options. These adjustable screw lift pads give an additional 3 of lift. We provide 4 PCS of 70mm adapters as standard. Or you can order 100mm adapters for options. The minimum height of machine is 110mm. It allows technicians to deal with low chassis vehicles. Arm locks engaged automatically when ascending. Car door protection and arm pads are equipped to give vehicle well protection. Synchronization and chain protector make lift rise and fall more smoothly. With roof protection and height limit switch, it eliminates the risk of oil cylinder and the vehicle damages. Dust protection keep the inside of column clean and extend machine life. It also allows technicians to disengage both columns simultaneously to lower the lift from the control console.